So, with Samsung offering me a $75 trade-in credit to get myself a pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, I'm now in the parking lot at my local FedEx drop-off to return my Galaxy Buds 2. So, while I'm returning them, I figured I don't want to give the impression I don't like them. So, real quick, while these FedEx employees stare at a guy in his car talking to himself on camera, let me give you a list of the things that I like, the things I didn't particularly enjoy for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Let's go. So just real quick, and pardon me for the raining, Hurricane Helene has made its way into the Midwest, so we are getting dumped on with rain today until it moves on later tonight. Prayers go out to everybody affected in the South. Devastating hurricane. It was huge, so if you're watching this, I'm very happy that you're all right. Obviously, I don't know if you've lost home or valuables or belongings, but the fact that you are watching this and alive is good enough, and God bless you. Anyways, sorry on that rant. So anyways, real quick, I've got some notes here just so I kept myself on topic, and I've already derailed that, so let's go ahead and get into it. The noise canceling on the Buds 2 is good, but considering it's got like the jelly bean shape that takes up your entire ear hole, that wasn't surprising to me. Like, there's literally no room for sound to get around it. And the sound is good. It's got lots of customization settings. I really enjoyed using the 360 audio because it makes music and video more immersive, which I kind of like. They advertise 5 hours of battery life if you're using the noise canceling features, and that seems pretty on par from my experience. It was right around that. And then if you use the charging case, of course, you can get about 4 charges, so a total of like 20 hours of use without needing to recharge the case. The buds are like crazy light. I think they're only like 5 grams each, and they come in 5 different colors: onyx, olive, white, lavender, and graphite, which is the one I got. And that's actually a perfect segue into my cons and gripes about the earbuds. But having the black pair, they held onto a lot of heat, and I do keep them in my car a lot. I know you're not supposed to, but I did, and it just took so long for them to cool off once I got in the car. I'd either have to like hold them in front of the AC, or I'd have to wait 15 minutes for them to cool down without hurting myself, because that jelly bean shape, they're touching a lot of your ear. Yeah, the jelly bean shape is not my favorite. It blocks out a lot of the noise, but one, it made it really hard to use the touch controls. Like, I would tap to pause a song or skip a song, and either it would accidentally register too many taps, or it would register too few taps, or not at all. And the volume, like trying to put my thumb, I never really got the hang of like turning the volume up or down, because you have to like touch it with both your thumb and your index finger, and then like swipe up or down on the index finger. And it was kind of weird to me. Sometimes I could get it, a lot of times I couldn't, or it would pause. Anytime I had to readjust them on my ears, it would pause or skip a song or whatever. So I do like the Buds 3 Pro that I got instead, that has the nice little blade. Makes touch controls a lot better, but anyways, I won't get into that right now. But yeah, wearing the Buds 2 in the gym, they would often they'd fall out, or they'd wiggle around whenever I was on a treadmill or laying down on a bench press. I was always kind of worried that I'd drop them, and several times I did. So I guess the fact that they didn't break shows the durability, so there's that. But yeah, overall, they're a quality pair of earbuds. Don't get me wrong. And they pair well, obviously, if you have a Samsung phone. But I am happy with my replacements. The Buds 3 Pro, I do have a review on the channel of that, if you want to check that out. I'll leave the card somewhere over here. And if you want to pick a pair up for yourself, I will leave Amazon links in the description. It is an affiliate link, so it actually does help me if you click those and purchase it from there. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for watching this really quick review. I'm literally about to walk into FedEx right now and return these to keep the trade-in credit that I got from Samsung. Anyways, that's it for today. Love you guys. Bye.